Do you sometimes find your kitchen filled with cooking odors, steam, or even a bit of smoke, making you wish you had better ventilation? Achieving proper airflow is key to a comfortable and safe cooking environment, especially when dealing with powerful cooking appliances. While it might seem convenient to use your microwave's built-in vent for your gas range, the direct answer is generally no, you should not. A microwave vent, often called an over-the-range microwave, is designed for lighter-duty ventilation and is typically not powerful enough or properly configured to handle the specific demands and safety requirements of a gas range. The core reason lies in the nature of gas cooking. Gas ranges produce not only heat, steam, and grease, but also combustion byproducts like carbon monoxide and nitrogen dioxide. A microwave vent usually has a much lower cubic feet per minute, or CFPM, rating, meaning it moves significantly less air than a dedicated range hood. This lower capacity is inadequate for effectively capturing and exhausting these gases and particles, which can pose a health risk if allowed to accumulate in your home. To ensure proper and safe ventilation for your gas range, you should look for a dedicated range hood. When selecting a hood, pay close attention to its CFPM rating. Gas ranges generally requiring a hood with a rating of at least 300 CFPM, and often more for professional-style models. Position the hood properly, typically between 24 and 30 inches above the cooking surface, and ensure it is vented directly outside, not just recirculating air back into the kitchen. An important distinction to understand is between recirculating and ducted ventilation. Many microwave vents are recirculating, meaning they filter the air and blow it back into the room. This is fine for some light cooking, but it does not remove harmful gases or excess heat effectively. A proper range hood for a gas range must be ducted, meaning it has a direct exhaust path to the outside of your home, ensuring all byproducts are safely removed. This external venting is a critical safety feature. By investing in a dedicated, externally vented range hood with an appropriate CFPM rating, you will create a much safer and more pleasant cooking experience. This ensures efficient removal of heat, grease, and those critical combustion byproducts, keeping your kitchen air clean and your home environment healthy for everyone.